Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Note 9, and I'll show you how to activate Always On Display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the Always On Display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now just to do that, we should open the Play Store and to enter here in the search pool the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap to install, and now just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just we should tap here to open the application and click Draw Over Apps. Now we should find here the Muviz Edge application and to tap once on this switcher. After that we should go back to the application and select one from these sections, for example the AOD, and to select one from these tabs. Let's use this one. Tap here to apply, and after that just press the power key button to lock the device. After that twice press to the power key, and now we can see that the Always On Display feature successfully turned on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.